Without vision, even the best plans fail. Let's explore in this video how to lead your MSME from a place of vision first, then plan with precision. Namaste, I am Abanibhusan Bera, AI-driven MSME growth strategist and sales excellence coach. I am leading India's MSME AI-driven growth revolution to help MSMEs double their revenue in 3 years using AI tools, structured systems, and Vedantic clarity. This video is part of a special series I created to share real-world lessons, timeless insights, and powerful shifts for your business. Let's dive in. When planning outruns vision, let me deal with this first. Let's be honest. MSME founders are brilliant planners. You have calendars, checklists, CRM follow-ups, launch maps, and so on. But still, things feel rigid, overloaded, emotionally disconnected. Why? Plans don't generate energy. Plans can become boxes. Without vision, your team can't self-correct. And finally, you optimize your past success, not your future potential. Planning is a tool, vision is the compass. You don't need fewer plans, you need clearer vision first, so your plans are meaningful. Now let me walk you through an imaginary but relatable use case, and that is on reversing the flow. A founder runs a design tech startup offering solutions to architecture firms. Revenue is decent, team is good, they follow a strict 90-day execution cycle. Something's off. She tells me, we hit our goals, but no one's excited, not even me. We ask, what is your 3-year vision? Silence. She admits, we never defined it, we just keep executing quarter after quarter. So we pause. Scrap the current quarter's checklist. Block 3 hours for founder vision reflection. Ask, who are we becoming, not just what are we doing? From that came a breakthrough, a new product idea, a refreshed positioning statement, a deeper alignment with team roles. We build the plan from vision down, not checklist up. 3 months later, higher team morale, more relevant client acquisition, and a sense of mission, not just movement. She didn't stop planning, she relocated her source of clarity. Now let's clarify what vision truly is and what it is not. Vision is, first, direction, not just destination. Second, emotion plus imagination. Third, based on values, not trends. Fourth, anchored in purpose. And fifth, bigger than a single offer or metric. Vision is not a 5-year financial target. It is not a marketing goal. It is not a press release. It is not a deck that sits unused. Planning makes you effective. Vision makes you expansive. If you want momentum, you need systems. If you want meaning, you need vision. Now the question is, how to build vision fast planning? It is a 5-step framework to lead with vision and execute with precision. Step number 1, clarify your founder vision. Ask 3 questions. What kind of business do I want to wake up to? What does success feel like, not just look like? What role do I want to play in this ecosystem? Write it out, not as goals, but as desire with direction. Step number 2, distill into 3 strategic directions. From your vision, define number 1, who are we serving? Number 2, what is the transformation we offer? Number 3, what kind of company culture we will deliver this? These become your pillars. Step number 3. Use vision to filter your plan. Now look at your plan. What goals don't align anymore? What offers feel off-brand? What marketing feels mechanical, not magnetic? The plan to feed the path of purpose. Step number 4 is plan in seasons, not sprints. Instead of constant urgency, design 90-day vision sessions. Each season should answer 2 questions. What's our single most aligned priority? Second, how will we measure resonance, not just results? So idea is planning becomes a rhythm, not a race. And the final step number 5 is reconnect team to vision weekly. Don't make vision a slide deck. Every week ask in team reviews, how did our actions move us closer to our vision? What are you doing that no longer feels aligned? It becomes culture, not just concept. The best planning is not rigid, it's rooted in purpose. Now here is my Vedantic reflection, leading from vision, acting with discipline. In the Bhagavad Gita, there is chapter 3 and verse 19, and I am citing from there. And here it is. Therefore, always perform your duties without attachment to results, for by doing so, one attains the Supreme. Now, what does this mean in business? Do your work rooted in vision, not just in metrics. Act with devotion to the larger purpose, not just to a goal. Let your planning serve your dharma, not dominate it. In Vedantic terms, vision is equal to sankalpa, that is sacred intention, and planning is equal to karma, the focused execution. When sankalpa leads, karma flows in alignment. This is how you scale with soul. So now let's build your 5-day reconnection plan. Day 1, write your 1-page vision letter to your future self. Day 2, review your current plans, what feels misaligned. Day 3, redefine 3 pillars of strategic direction. Day 4, update your 90-day roadmap from the vision down. And day 5, host a team check-in focused on vision, not task. Now here is my bonus. Record a private voice note every Friday. Does this week reflect my vision? Now let's close with a reminder. Planning is not your North Star. Vision is. Second, you don't build a great business by staying busy. Number 3 is you build it by staying aligned, then acting with precision. If this video sparked a shift in how you think, take the next step. I am hosting a free masterclass on how MSMEs can 2x revenue using AI and systems. Click the link bit.ly/MSMEAI webinar, hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.